Okay, so let's look at the question below. In the figure below, ABCD is a rhombus, so it's A, B, C, and D are rhombus. EDB equals 97, EDB is 97, FEG is 110, BAD is 66, and given their straight lines, find FCD. So let's look at what are the angles we can find just based on the fact that this is a rhombus. So therefore, this line is parallel to this line, and this line is parallel to this line. So for a rhombus, opposite angles are the same. So if this is 66, the opposite is also 66. And therefore this angle is 180 minus 66 equals 114 degrees. And the other angle that we can find based on this is actually this, and this angle is actually 114 divided by 2 equals 57 degrees. So if a line that cuts through half the rhombus, this line is actually cutting the angle into half. So therefore this angle is 57, and this angle is also 57. So I know that this angle is 97, therefore I can find this angle, which is 97 minus 57 equals 40 degrees. So this angle is 40 degrees. Now this is the angle I'm looking for, alright? So I need to look for, the other angle that I can find is this one, which is vertically opposite 110 degrees. And since I know the two vertically opposite angles, I can take 360 minus away this 2, divided by 2, this is 70 degrees. And I know that this is also 70 degrees. So if I look at this triangle, alright, I can see that this is the angle that I'm looking for. So therefore, angle C equals to 180 minus 110 minus 40 equals to 30 degrees. And that's the answer. So I repeat my process again. First of all, I look at angle 66. I know that as a rhombus, this is also equals to angle 66. And this is equals to 180 minus 66 is 114. So this is 114 degrees. And because this line cuts through half, so this is actually 57. And the other side is also 57. And I know that my angle here is 97. Therefore, this is 97 minus 57 is 40. So when I look at this triangle, EDC, I take, to find angle C, I take 180 minus 110 minus 40, I get 30 degrees. And that's the angle FCD, which is the angle that I am looking for, FCD. Okay, so let's look at the next question. In the figure below, ABC is a triangle, EBF is a straight line, AC is parallel to EF. So AC is parallel to EF. This is important. And AB equals to AD. AB is equals to AD. So therefore, these two angles, this angle and this angle are also the same. Find angle Y. So this is the angle I'm looking for. So if I take the straight line EBF, I can find this angle by taking 180 minus 75 minus 40 equals 65 degrees. So this is 65 degrees. And I know that they are equal because they are isosceles. So this is also 65 degrees. And I can find this by taking 180 minus 65 minus 65 equals, this is 50 degrees. And now, because I know this line is parallel to this line, so therefore, if I take this angle plus this angle is 180. So this angle here is 65 plus 40 equals 105 degrees. Therefore, this angle is 180 minus 105 equals 75. And therefore, my angle y equals to 75 degrees minus away 50 degrees equals 25 degrees. And that's the answer. Okay, in the next question, in the figure below, AEF and FGH are isosceles. So AEF, so it's an isosceles, and FGH are isosceles triangles. And they've marked up for you which angles are the same. GC is parallel to FD. So GC is parallel to FD. So given that EBC equals to 61, find angle Y. So this is angle Y. So let's look at the angles that we can find. So if this is angle Y, so we can find that this angle E is also same as angle Y, which is 61 degrees. And because this is isosceles with these angles are same, so therefore this is also 61 degrees. And angle FAE equals to 180 minus 61 equals 58 degrees. So this is 58 degrees. And because this is also 61 degrees, vertically opposite, this is also 61 degrees. Because these are isosceles and this is a parallel line, so therefore this is also 61 degrees. And again, vertically opposite, 61 degrees. Or you can also see it as the Z over here. This is, therefore, if this is 61, this is also 61. Because they are isosceles, so this is also 61 degrees. And therefore, angle Y is the same as 180 minus 61 equals to 58 degrees. And that's the answer. So let's take a look at this question. In the figure below, PQRS is a rhombus, so PQRS is a rhombus and RSTW is a trapezium. So just to recall, rhombus has all four sides equal. If you cut it by half, this angle is also equals to this angle. Yeah. And opposite angles are also the same, so therefore this angle is equal to this angle and this is equal to this. So let's take a look at the question. These two are the same, so if this is 28 degrees, this is also 28 degrees, and I can find angle S. So angle PST equals to 180 minus 28 equals 124 degrees. And angle TSR, angle TSR is equals to 180 minus 68 equals to 112. So I'm looking for this angle now. Angle PSR equals to 360 minus 124 minus 112 equals 124 degrees. So this is 124. And because these two are the same, so therefore I want to find these two angles is angle SP, angle SPR, which is equals to angle SRP equals to 180 minus 124, the answer divided by 2, equals 28 degrees. So this equals to 28 degrees. And because this is a rhombus, this line divides into 2, so these two angles are the same. Therefore, this is also equals to 28. So angle RPQ is equals to angle RPS equals to 28 degrees. And that's the answer.